Hi, this is Myra Major. In this video tutorial, matutunan mo kung paano ka makakapag-create ng business page using the back-end platform of your Facebook account. Dalawang bagay na matutunan mo, paano mo ma-optimize ang business mo in creating comes to running your Facebook ads business page using the back-end platform of Facebook through the business manager, since it is not recommended to boost your post in your business page. So you can optimize, and another is, it is against the Facebook policy ang mag-create ka ng business page, mag-run ka ng ads using your personal Facebook profile. So gagamit tayo ng backend platform, which is the business manager account. Okay? Matutunan mo dito, una, paano ka makapag-create ng tama ng Facebook page mo through the business manager. Ikalawa, kung paano ka makakapag-maximize ang iyong business page using the back-end platform of Facebook, because in your personal profile, hindi ka makakapag-schedule ng post mo, or you cannot run ads, can't maximize the use of your business page using your Facebook personal profile. Kapag Facebook page ka na, madali mo na may connect ang Facebook, but pwede mong gamitin to para ma-automate mo ang mga follow-up messages mo to your potential leads and customers, na kahit naka-offline ka, makapag-engage ka ng mas madali to your subscribers. So you can also connect your business page to autoresponder. Okay, I hope ready ka na. And if you're
Learn with Myra Major about online business and success. Please do subscribe and click the bell button notification below for more updates.
We are here on my computer screen. So the first thing you need to do is go to business.facebook.com. Okay? So dapat nandito ka, and you need to log in kung hindi ka naka-log in sa personal Facebook profile mo, sa Facebook personal profile, okay, mag-log in ka muna. Okay? And then kapag naka-log in ka na, so since this is, let us log in to my Facebook account. This is my newest Facebook account. So we will log in Business Manager using my Facebook profile. So doon ka magla-log in sa Facebook profile, personal profile mo, makakapag-log in ka doon. So, and then create account pag nasa business manager ka na. You can see this, pwede mo lagyan ng pangalan. Let's say for example, for me, I will create Myra from business, let's say. And then my name is Myra Major, and my email is Major. Ayan. Kapag na-fill up mo na yan and submit, make sure lang tama yung email, okay, and then the name here, submit. Yan guys, kailangan na depends on kung ano yung gusto mong business name. So, click mo lang yung done, and we are here. Nandun ka na sa, check mo muna. You need to check this, may nakita kang verify your business email to continue. Check mo lang doon sa email na i-sign up mo doon sa business manager, okay, na ibigay mo sa business manager, na fill up mo doon, and then confirm na, so, ito yung business setting. Yan. So, makikita mo dyan, andyan yung email address. Yung gamit nila kukontakin. Alright? Yan na guys. So, for you to be able to go to your business, so, meron ka ng business manager account. So, this is the business manager account, and the first thing you need to do is go to business settings. Alright? And now, kapag nandito ka na, makikita mo dito, dyan yung pinakang setting. And here, name that I registered here is yung Myra Major, dahil yan yung ginamit ko sa Facebook account. The next step you need to do is go to pages, and then kung makikita mo yan, andyan yung add pages. You have three options here: add a page, request access to a page, and create a new page. So kung wala ka pang nagawang page, ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is create new page. Okay, so we have local business or place, company, organizations, brand or product, artists, and entertainments, so many more. So pipili ka dyan kung ano mang gamitin mo para sa business account mo. So, we choose brand or product. Kung may business ka na meron kang product, since I am doing e-commerce, so e-commerce ang pipiliin, itong brand. Okay? So, it depends on you kung ano yung gusto mo na pangalan ng business account mo. Okay, business page, I mean. Okay, sa akin, ang ilalagay ko, mompreneur ako. So, lalagay natin yan. So, ang choose natin ang category, brand or, pili ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mong brand. Okay, alliances, yan, marami dyan, pwede kang magpipilian. So, brand ang ating pipiliin. Okay, so create page. So, kung tapos na, okay ka na, create page, go to create page. Right? So, here, you have your business page already. So, we have already page. Nasa sa'yo pa rin yung kung anong gusto mo, depende sa product or business na meron kang kung name na to. Okay? And then, you can go to view page na. So, pwede mo na i-view yung page na ginawa mo. And here, you can optimize by setting up your Facebook page properly. Okay? Para kung business page, yung name ng Facebook page, makikita mo nandito, no? Pwede mo na palitan yung picture dyan. Later on, makikita mo naman, explore mo na lang. So, this is what the most important thing we need to learn here is how to optimize the Facebook. Kailangan na dito, guys, gawa ka muna ng Ito pinaka-importante sa lahat. Create page, your page username. Para pag sinearch siya sa Google, madaling makita yung name ng Facebook page mo. Your business page. Medyo loading lang, guys, ha. Here we go. Here we have now your Facebook page. Okay, pwede ka naman pumili ng profile picture. Okay, and then kapag na-set up mo na yung itong cover photo. So, ang tip ko lang, guys, wag ka muna mag-i-invite ng friends once na hindi mo pa to na-set up ng maayos ang Facebook page mo. Create username, Facebook business page username. Parang gusto ko ito rin yung pangalan ng username na gagamitin ko. Mompreneur ako. So, yan, pwede pala accepted ni FB. So, yan ang ilalagay natin na username. Yan. Create username. Alright. So, we have already username. Alright, guys. So, para magkaroon mukhang Facebook page na to. Okay. So, lagyan natin to ng picture muna. Yung profile. So, choose from photo. Kaya, upload. Kung wala ka pa mga photo, syempre, bago pa lang to, mag-upload tayo ng photo. Anything that you want, pwedeng ilagay mong profile is, kailangan related doon sa business page name mo. Upload tayo ng photo. Ayan. So here, pwede tayong gumamit ng dito. Halimbawa, ito na lang. Picture ko. Gusto kong i-brand yung sarili ko kasi mompreneur ako. Just for the sake of tutorial only, guys. Nasa iyo pa rin kung ano yung gusto mong gawing photo. Medyo masyadong malaki, so like temporary lang to. Temporary mo nang gagawin. Hindi siya naka-center, masyadong malaki yung picture. So, one day lang, naka-temporary lang muna siya. Lagyan mo siya ng Siyempre, kailangan, lalagay mong cover photo is also related. What is your Facebook business all about? Showing all the informations about your business. Okay, and then let us proceed to add a cover. So, yeah, madali naman yan, ha. Pwede ka rin mag-choose ng video, videos. So, kung wala naman, guys, na wala ka pang picture about sa product mo or sa business na pinopromote mo, whatever business you have, pwede ka naman mag-edit sa canva.com. No? Since I have upload a photo or video, upload lang muna ako ng temporary na gusto kong ilagay dito. For the sake of this tutorial, okay? Or more on, so kailangan about your business ang ilalagay mo. Try lang natin to kung okay. Ito kasi siya makita. Okay, let's say ito. Yan. Halimbawa lang naman to, guys. So maganda, gawin mo siyang stunning yung profile, yung cover photo ng Facebook page mo. Alright. Since this is e-commerce, so meron siyang card. Here, first thing you need to set up another thing, next step na kailangan mong gawin para makapag-start ka na maging active itong business page mo, kailangan mo i-set up yung setting. Okay? So, sa general, makikita mo nandito. So, edit mo lang, page publish, and anyone can publish this page, anyone can add photos in this page. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung sample na business page ko na nagawa. This is my OE, Pinay Ecom Tech Negosyo. Right. So, kailangan dito, guys, sa setting, turn on mo lahat or check mo yung mga shortcuts, page visibility, edit mo lang yan, visitors post, and then also, here in the setting, kailangan mo yan yung mga profanity filter, yan, tagging, i-set up mo yan, country restriction, age restriction, page moderation, yan. It's really important para makakita mo yung nakaset up na siyang mabuti. And this is how to optimize your Facebook business page mo. Okay? And here, lalo na itong Yan, profanity filter. Dapat naka-strong siya. Set to strong para hindi kahit sino man pwede mag-post sa Facebook page mo. Yan. Yan, translate automatically, comment ranking, yan. Isa-isahin mo yan, guys. Isa-isahin mo yan para maka-set up mo talaga, ma-optimize mo yung business page mo. And another is the page informations. Okay? These are some important things you need to set up when you create Facebook page. Okay? So, kailangan mahalaga ito ma-fill up mo yung description, what is your business all about, the categories, and additional information para kung ano na phone number, contact number mo, and also the website that you have, email, and the locations, and also the hours of availability of your business page. Okay, here, papakita ko na lang sa inyo para ang old kong Facebook page, okay? So here, this is my old Facebook page. So kailangan, yan, meron na, makikita natin, meron siyang username, may cover photo, and may profile picture. Make sure lang guys na itong Facebook page mo, una mo ma-fill up itong about. So, kailangan yung about, especially pagdating sa stories. Itong stories na to, okay, tingnan natin yung about. Yung mabagal lang guys itong internet ko. Ayan, right. Yung story, yan, puntahan mo yan. Edit, lagyan mo, kailangan ma-fill up mo rin to. Yan, yung address. Kung hindi online, yung business mo, so kailangan ma-fill up mo yun kung saan man yung address ng office. Okay? Yan, lagyan mo yan ng mga information, mga details. Okay, here's the story. Kailangan maglagay ka ng nakalagay dyan sa story mo. What is your business opportunity all about? Para makilala ka. Okay, here makita nyo kung sino nandito ako. Okay, hello, congratulations, nandito ka. Nababasa mong page ko na to. May tanong lang ako sa iyo. Ano pakiramdam tupad mo na yung pangarap mo? And here, masarap ba na pakiramdam ng peace of mind ka? And also, what is this opportunity all about? Lagyan mo lang yan, pakilala mo rin kung sino ka. Yan. If you are an affiliate of that company that you are, or the product or business opportunity that you are promoting, lagyan mo rin dyan. And also, yan. So, publish mo lang. Kung i-edit mo siya, mayroon ka na publish and edit, nakalagay naman dito. Click mo lang yung edit. Okay? Publish lang natin. Ayan. Alright. So, it's really important, guys, para pagka nagpupunta ang mga leads or prospects sa Facebook page mo, mayroon silang mababasa at mayroon silang mga post. And do not invite friends yet to like your page kung wala ka pang post or any information about your Facebook page or business opportunity in your page. Especially here, kailangan ito meron yung mga laman. Okay? And here, so kailangan mo lang malagyan yan lahat. And also the photos, maglagay ka ng album. Yeah, para meron nakikita silang mga information about your business. Na makikita ng mga prospect mo na talagang legit ang business opportunity na pinopromote. Dapat mag-upload ka ng mga business related na post or inspiring post, motivational, or any kind na tutorial, tutorial or information about your business or valuable information. Okay, here, katulad nito, meron akong pinost dito. Makakatulong sa prospect ko. Yan, Happy Tipsy Wednesday. 3 reasons why self-discipline is important to success. Yan. Para laging active yung Facebook page mo. So, dapat meron ka at least 10 posts kapag nag-create ka pa lang bago ka invite ng friends na maglalike. Okay? And also guys, here, make sure na itong send message, set up mo siya. Okay, balik tayo doon sa ginagawa natin here. Balik tayo doon sa sinimulan natin na Facebook page. Alright. Ang bilis na internet ko, guys. Yan. You need to add button also here. Mag-add ka ng button. Yan. Dapat i-activate mo yan. I mean to say, choose button. Okay, pwedeng contact with you, book with you, contact with you, learn more about your business, shop with you, download your app, play your games. Okay, here, meron tayong pagpipilian. Yan, kung contact you, yan, marami sa contact you, contact us, sign up. So, make sure lang kung sign up, merong link na agad na pwede sila mag-sign up. Yan, contact us, send message. Kadalasan, pag ganitong bago pa lang, send message. Kasi mas madaling ka ma-reach out. Magsasend lang sa'yo ng message, di ba? So, yan. Yan. Click finish kapag na-set up mo na siya. Alright. So, yan guys. So, click mo lang yung finish. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang yang lagyan ng ito. So, yung story, para malagyan siya ng story dito, yan, lagyan mo rin siya ng picture dyan. Then, you can create your story here. Drag ka lang ng picture, drag or click to add a photo and title. Alright? So, that's all guys. Madali lang naman. And then, kapag tapos mo na lagyan siya, kailangan it talks about all about your business opportunity. Then kapag tapos na, i-publish mo lang siya. Click publish. If this is the another option kung paano ka makakapag-create ng business page mo using the front end platform ng Facebook. Okay, you just proceed to your Facebook account. Here, dito, pwede ka rin namang pwede ka rin maka-create ng Facebook business page here. Okay, dito, punta ka lang dito. Kasi ito yung Facebook page ko. Let us go to my timeline. Okay? Here, click mo lang yung create. Yan. Pwede ka makapag-create ng page. So, click mo lang tong create and then page. Ayan. So, the same procedure lang, guys. So, page name. Ayan. So, page name. Lagyan mo to ng page name. Bahala ka kung anong gusto mong page name. Any kind of business opportunity or service na ino-offer mo, or gusto mo brand, category, brand ka. Ayan, may lalabas naman kung brand ba yung gusto mo, or public figure, and description, nalagyan mo rin siya. Okay, kapag tapos mo na siya, nalagyan, okay, pag nalagyan mo na siya, nalagyan mo siya ng description, saka pa lang tulilitaw na create page. So, proceed ka sa create page, no? Hindi siya magpuproceed kasi di ko nilagyan. Okay? So, ganun lang. The same procedure lang. Ito, kung meron ka na nagawa kasi Facebook page, it is better. I highly recommend to do the Facebook page in Business Manager, in your Business Manager account, kasi mas optimal siya compared to this front-end na Facebook page, no? So, this is not optimal when you run because you cannot schedule posts here, and when it comes to running your ads here in this Facebook page na creating your Facebook page through your personal profile, you can just boost your post, no? You cannot run ads, you cannot schedule ads. This is not optimal, unlike using the back-end platform of Facebook page, using the business account or business manager na ginawa natin kanina. So, yun yung pagkakaiba nila kanina. So, ito yung kanina na nakalagay siya sa business manager. Kailangan, ito yung makikita nyong feature. Yan. Okay, pag pupunta ka sa business setting, ayan, ads manager, events manager. So, later on, we will have another tutorial for another features or informations about the Facebook page. How to schedule posts. Okay, by the way, kailangan makapag-create ka na ng 10, at least 10 na post here bago ka mag-invite. Make sure lang guys na i-like mo or mag-subscribe ka sa channel na to para ma-update ka sa mga susunod pang tutorial, okay, about business when it comes to online business. Okay? This is Myra Major, an online entrepreneur, a teacher, a content creator. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next